Hey, what's going on guys? I'm Ajay from eeehub, and in this video tutorial you are going to learn how to run Python program using IDLE, text file and command prompt. In the previous session you have learned how to install Python in Windows operating system and how to set up environment variable for a Python. So let's start the session. So Python, we can run Python program using command prompt and also by using the integrated development environment. Okay, so this integrated development environment is provided by the Python, and we can also run the Python program by using this command prompt. So let's see how we can write and run the program using command prompt. So for this you have to open the command prompt, and in the command prompt you have to just write down the keyword that is Python. Once you will write down the keyword Python and hit enter, after that you will see that the Python 3.8.6 is now running on this command prompt, and this is the interactive way for programming in Python. Okay, so by using this command prompt you can also write a Python program. So I will show you that whether this is working or not. So I will use the print function here. This is the print function, and I'm going to say hello guys. Okay, so let's see. So you have to just put this string inside the single quotation and you have to just enter. See, it is printing hello guys, so it is working fine. So this is the way to write a program using this command prompt, and this is called the interactive way. And I will also show you how to write a Python program in text file and then run that file by using this command prompt. Okay, so now I will tell you how to run the Python program by using the text file. Okay, so I will write a program in text file, and after that by using the command prompt I will execute that file. Okay, so let's see how I can do that. Okay, just I have created one Python folder on the desktop, and inside that Python folder I'm going to create a file, text document file, and I will name it as first. Okay, and I will open this first, and here I will write the Python program. Okay, this is Python syntax, and I will write that hello, I'm text editor. Okay, and you have to just click on this file and you have to just go for save as. Once you will click on save as, you have to just write down first.py. okay, so .py is a Python extension. .py is a Python extension. After that you have to just select all files, then you have to save this file. Okay, once you will save this file, after that you have to just copy this location. Okay, once you will copy this location, you have to just go to this command prompt. As of now I will exit from this interactive Python. Okay, and now I will change my directory to that directory. Okay, so now I am inside this folder. Once you will inside this folder, okay, after that you have to just write down Python first.py, and this first.py is the Python file name, and you have to just hit enter. Now you will see that we have inside this python.py file we have wrote this, hello, I am a text editor, and now you are getting this text editor because there we are using a print function. Inside the print function we wrote this line. Okay, so that was the second way to write the Python code, and now we will see how to write code by using IDLE. Okay, so for that you have to just go to the Windows search, and there you have to write on Python. Okay, once you will write on the Python, you will see this is the Python. Okay, this is the Python IDLE. Just you have to click on this. Once you will click on that Python IDLE will be open. It is taking some time. Okay, just let's see when it will open now. So once that Python IDLE open, you will see that this is the interactive way. Here you can also write the Python code. Okay, hello IDLE. Okay, and this is the interactive way. Okay, and also you can write Python code in this file. Okay, you have to just click on this file. Once you will click on that file, just go to the new file. Okay, here also you can write the Python code like print code is inside the file. Okay, and you have to just save this file. So main difference from interactive way or this file way is that in the interactive way you have to just write down the code and you can run it as you go, but when you write a code inside this file, you have to save that file in some folder. Okay, you have to name it. It's like I will write as a first. Okay, and then you have to save that file. Once you will save that file, after that you have to click on run. Once you will click on run, then you have to click on run module. Once you will click on run module, there you will see the output of that code. Okay, so these are the three ways. Okay, these are the three ways that how you can write a code in Python. So Python don't need any editor. You can simply write Python on the simple text file. Okay, you have simply write Python on simple text file and run by using this command prompt, or you can write your code on Python IDLE, which is provided by the Python itself. Okay, and also you can save that file in this Python IDLE. Okay, so these are the three ways by which you can run your, or you can write your code inside the file and run it. So I hope now it is clear how to run the Python program by using command prompt, text file, and also the IDLE.